Yung naputulan ng kamay, a member of the Naval Special Operations. Kamay. Sorry. Daliri lang talaga. Okay, Tom, right, Tom? Is a member of yung isa sa rib natin that was illegally rammed, high-speed rammed by one of the Coast Guard, Chinese Coast Guard ribs. And because of the speed, pumatong yung forward portion ng Coast Guard, Chinese Coast Guard rib doon sa rib ng tropa natin. And unfortunately, nakahawak yung tropa doon. So, nadaanan yung kamay niya, yung daliri niya. So, because of the weight and dahil sa bilis nung rib ng Chinese Coast Guard, tinamaan yung daliri niya. Buti nga, hindi buong kamay eh. Swerte rin siya dahil nakahawak siyang ganyan. So, tinamaan dito. Kaya naputol siya.
Okay, thank you very much, Ryan. Next questions will be from Celeste.